I've been chasing death down ever since I started breathing. I don't want to have to go in detail, but my life was a joke. I woke up after I realized I was getting lost and losing my family. I was scared, I never knew what to do. I thought I'd mess up and mostly everything I say. Push through, leave, run. They say you can't run away from your problems. I agree. That time when you don't want to have friends or even show your face, you never want to talk to anyone. Then you start to say stuff in your mind. You start to think it's someone else. You forget who you are and lose control. You mostly lose yourself. Today's a new day, a new day, a new day, a new day. A new day, a new day. Deep down you wanna go crazy. Scream, shout, throw everything about. You wanna make the stop. You wanna make the crying stop. You feel like you're trapped in a place where you never go home. All you wanna do is see daylight again. You keep looking, but you never give in. You're begging for surrender, you're crying for death. You want to be saved, but no one cares less. You keep searching for a new love, but the only love you have is the one you pushed into the dust. You don't wanna fight it. It gave you power once again. Power, power, power where you are at. It gave you power once again. Power, power, power. It gave you power once again. Again, power, power, power where you are at. It gave you power through all you had. Power.